Ever wondered where the magic happens? Where all those amazing car loans, leases, and insurance policies are born. Today, we're diving deep to uncover the mysterious location of Ally Financial's headquarters. Buckle up, because this journey is about to get interesting. Ally Financial. The name might sound familiar. You've probably seen their ads, maybe even considered one of their offers. But have you ever stopped to think about the people behind the brand? The minds crafting those innovative financial solutions? Today, we're peeling back the curtain and exploring the heart of Ally Financial, their headquarters. We'll uncover not just the physical address, but also the culture, the environment, and the values that drive this leading financial services company. Now, you might be thinking, headquarters? Isn't that just a fancy office building? Well, you're right, but it's so much more than that. It's a hub of innovation, a melting pot of talent, and a place where dreams are realized. So, where exactly is this enigmatic location? Get ready to be surprised, because Ally Financial has a unique approach to its headquarters, reflecting its modern and forward-thinking spirit. Unlike many traditional financial institutions, Ally Financial doesn't have a single, monolithic headquarters. Instead, they've embraced a more distributed and collaborative model. That's right, Ally operates with a hub-and-spoke system. The hub, this serves as the central nerve center, connecting teams and fostering collaboration across different locations. The spokes, these are strategically located offices around the United States, each with its own unique character and focus. This decentralized approach allows Ally to tap into diverse talent pools, foster a more agile and responsive workforce, and better serve customers across the country. So, where are these key locations? Detroit, Michigan, this historic automotive hub remains a significant presence for Ally, reflecting its deep roots in the industry. Charlotte, North Carolina, a growing financial center, Charlotte houses a major Ally hub, contributing to the city's vibrant business ecosystem. Indianapolis, Indiana, Ally has a strong presence in Indiana, leveraging the state's skilled workforce and fostering economic growth. These are just a few examples, and Ally continues to evolve its network to best serve its customers and employees. But it's not just about the physical locations. Ally's headquarters, whether a hub or a spoke, reflects the company's core values. Customer centricity, everything Ally does revolves around providing exceptional customer experiences. Innovation, a constant pursuit of new ideas and technologies to improve financial services. Collaboration, fostering a culture of teamwork and open communication across all levels. Diversity and inclusion, creating an inclusive environment where everyone feels valued and respected. These values are woven into the fabric of every Ally workplace, creating a dynamic and inspiring environment for employees. Imagine a workplace where you're empowered to make a difference, where your ideas are valued, and where you can truly thrive. Ally employees describe a culture of trust, transparency, and continuous learning. They appreciate the flexibility and autonomy offered by the distributed model, while still maintaining strong connections with colleagues across the organization. The distributed model offers numerous advantages. Increased flexibility, employees can often work from home or choose locations that suit their lifestyle. Access to diverse talent, Ally can recruit from a wider pool of qualified candidates across the country. Reduced overhead costs, by optimizing office space and leveraging technology, Ally can operate more efficiently. Improved work-life balance, employees can better integrate their personal and professional lives, leading to increased job satisfaction and productivity. This forward-thinking approach not only benefits employees but also positions Ally at the forefront of the evolving workplace landscape. As technology continues to advance and the world of work evolves, Ally is constantly reevaluating its headquarters strategy. They are investing in cutting-edge technology to enhance collaboration and communication across locations. They are exploring new ways to create engaging and inspiring workspaces that foster creativity and innovation. They are committed to providing employees with the tools and resources they need to succeed, regardless of their location. This dynamic approach ensures that Ally's headquarters remain a competitive advantage, attracting and retaining top talent while delivering exceptional value to customers. So, there you have it. Ally Financial's headquarters, a unique and innovative model that reflects the company's forward-thinking spirit. What are your thoughts on Ally's approach? Do you think this distributed model is the future of work? Share your opinions in the comments below. And if you're interested in learning more about Ally Financial and their career opportunities, be sure to visit their website. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.